Hi, welcome to your new home. Let's go on inside here. Automatic stairs coming out, beautiful. Up to your home sweet home. Got some gizmits and gadgets over here for the awning and the bed that's above the captain's seat. Beautiful, huge space here. We've got a bed up here that comes up when you start to drive. And a nice little table. You can swivel your chairs around for increased seating. Little office space. Nice. Got our oversized dining table, microwave, stove, sink, and TV. Loving it. And we have our beautiful jackknife sofa, which makes into a bed and also is recliner seats. Brand new upholstery. Got a really good sized fridge here. All your needs and freezer. Cool. Decent sized pantry. Cool. I love this because it expanded how much counter space we had, along with over here. Another more counter space, so makes it really user-friendly. Also, this is a door, so if you need to make the bedroom and bathroom private, you can. Separate toilet and sink. Some storage up here. Cool. Both sides. We'll even throw in the RV toilet cleaner. Oops. Coming back out. Nice shower. Got a beautiful sunlight. Great. And then the king size bed. You can walk around the whole thing if you'd like. Closet with a mirror and drawers. Storage up here. And then a TV back here as well.